Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Linux without a USB. The first thing I want you to do is go to your browser, type in Linux download, and open this URL, download Linux Mint, make sure it's the latest version, and come to this website and just download the latest ISO file, okay? Now what we're going to do, we are going to create a partition or hard disk. So just right click on your star icon, and then come here and click on disk management. And now here under disk management, just right click on the drive with enough free space and then select shrink volume. So we're going to shrink this by 8 GB. Okay, you can type that in for a Linux and then hit shrink. And there you go. So we have this, we have created the unallocated space. Just right click on that and then click on new simple volume. Click here on next. Okay, we can leave the size as it is. Click on next and change the file system from NTFS to FAT32. Okay, you can finish this. And then what I want you to do is download the universal USB installer, this exact version 2.0.0.1. Come here, download this, and then just go ahead and install this thing. Okay, allow changes, click here and yes, I agree. And then here, just select a distribution to put on our USB. In this case, just select Linux Mint. Then come here, click on browse, just find your ISO file. For this example, I'll just show you using Ubuntu. So that's the ISO file. And then select the drive letter over our USB. So this is the new one we created. Choose that one. Click here on yes. And there you go. The installation is completed. Then you just close it, restart your PC, and then I want you to boot this, okay? So to boot, you can go ahead and use the boot menu key when you're restarting, usually F2, F10, or F12, depending on your PC. And then in the boot menu, just select the partition we had just created. In this case, for us, it was UFI OS. You can use that. And then just go ahead and install Linux and proceed with the process. Really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.